we're going to have a quick look at backing up and restoring within OneIntegrate. For this, we have a few options. The easiest of which is to right-click the item that you would like to back up, open up the context menu, and then click Backup. Equally, from a right-click context menu in the navigation pane, you can also restore your backups. Equally, at the top of the navigation pane, you will see the Restore button, and this allows you to drag and drop your backup zip files from there as well. As well as backing up individual items, I can multi-select items and folders from my navigation pane, right-click, and back those all up together. Let's try a backup and a restoration. I will back up this particular rule. I will then delete the rule. And restore it again from the top of the navigation pane here. I'll drag and drop the backed up zip archive and click upload. This tells me the item that has been created and uploaded, and I can click done, and I can see that that rule has indeed been restored. For admin users, you also have the option using the dashboard and the repository administration page to take backups of the entire repository and also restore. Users of OneIntegrate can also choose to use the sync tool.